Want to drive more customers to your local business without breaking the bank? Let's talk about how to run Google Maps ads with a small budget and get the most bang for your buck. First, head to your Google Ads account and click Create a new campaign. Choose Local Campaign to focus your ad on driving store visits and calls from nearby customers. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business so you can link your location. This helps your ad show up on Google Maps when potential customers search nearby. Now, set your budget. Even with just $5 or $10 a day, you can make an impact. Keep your ad targeting local. Set a geographic radius, like 10 to 15 miles around your business. That way, your ads are shown to people close by. Next, craft a compelling ad. Keep your message simple but engaging. Try something like, "Visit us today," or "Call now." Don't forget to add keywords related to your business and location for more targeted results. Lastly, keep an eye on your performance. Check which keywords and placements are driving the most traffic and make small adjustments to improve your results. And that's it. With a small budget, you can make big moves by focusing on Google Maps ads. So get started and watch the local customers roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, budget-friendly marketing tips. Happy advertising!